talk about now. So you can see how it is now. It's always good to say it how it is. When things are not working, don't keep quiet. Don't keep silent. After the outcry, man, something has been done. And I'm happy about that. I'm happy it's better. Although we are not relaxing, because when the rain falls, we will know what the place is like. But for now, I think it's good, it's manageable, and the flyover work is ongoing, and the new contractor that has been sent here is trying and is, in fact, changing the face of this environment. Talking about Nwaezehi junction, a major road linking Ebonyi State to Abuja, Benue State, Kogi State, Cameroon, Cross River State, and other important places. Thank you. Thank you.